Hey guys, this is Josh from the Airsoft Delta Squad 100. Today I've got the unboxing of the UK Arms M24. I bought this gun off my friend for $90 with a scope and the gun. So let's get into unboxing. This is the box it comes in. UK Arms Shadow Ops Sniper. 400 FPS with 0.25 gram BBs, 55 yard maximum range, 26 BB mag capacity, weighs 7.94 pounds, and the length is 44 inches with it completely closed, and 46 when it is extended. Here's what it looks like inside. Here's the bottom of it. Comes in two parts. The stock is adjustable for length, like I was saying earlier. Yeah, how to take it out. Here's the barrel. Now here's the dummy mag well, which does come out of the gun unless it's folded in. So you gotta hold that in when you're installing the receivers. This gun comes with 3 screws to tighten it up. This one goes up front because it's got the sling part. The long one goes in the back. Take your trusty Allen wrenches. Set it down a second. That one tight. Got that one tight. Now this one, because it has the sling part or bipod, whichever you use it for, you gotta stick something through it to tighten it. So I'm just gonna use a smaller Allen wrench. Tighten it up. Almost tight. Okay, so now the gun is assembled. And it also came with one magazine and a speed reloader. I don't have the speed reloader with me right now. The magazine in here. Now I gotta put the scope on. Now this is an NC Star 3 to 9 by 40 magnification scope. It's actually a pretty nice scope. Now here is what the gun looks like once the scope is installed. So yeah, I don't know. It seems like a pretty nice weapon. One thing I do not like is the handguard right here. It is way too wide. I will be filing or sanding that down, not sure what yet. But I do not like the stock very well in this, and I'm not a fan of the adjustability. I prefer the normal rifle length stocks. So yeah, this has been my unboxing of the what was this? UK Arms M24, sorry about that. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.